In this video, I'll show you how to find your Kraken deposit address and make a deposit of crypto into your account. For Kraken, go to the top left, home icon, click deposit here. I'll show you in Kraken Pro in a second as well. Now we need to choose the asset that we're sending in. I'll show you with Bitcoin and stablecoins. Stablecoins exist on many different chains, so it's really important to know what you're doing. Whenever sending crypto, just make sure that where you're sending from and receiving to, you're using the same asset on the same blockchain. Same asset, same blockchain. As long as that's the same on both ends, you won't have any issues. I'm going to send in some Bitcoin. So BTC, it's this one right here, Bitcoin. I'm going to click that and it says, which network are you using? It's the same for Kraken Pro. So go to your home page in Kraken Pro, go to deposit, choose the asset that you want to deposit in, Bitcoin, and it says, which network do you want to use? Where is your Bitcoin now? If you know that you have Bitcoin in a wallet on the Bitcoin blockchain, that's the only chain that you can use. Bitcoin, same asset, Bitcoin blockchain, same blockchain. You may have Bitcoin in a Lightning wallet as well on the Lightning network. Therefore, that's the chain that you have to use. Wherever you have the Bitcoin will dictate how you can send it in. So I'm going to choose my Bitcoin wallet address here because I'm going to send some BTC over the Bitcoin blockchain. Here's my address. So this is a QR code. If you have it in a wallet, you can scan this. There's the long format address here as well, which I can copy. And then I'm going to paste that into where I'm sending from. You can see that the fee is 0. There's a minimum deposit here and the processing time is around 45 minutes. When you make a deposit into your Kraken account, they will send you an email immediately saying that there is a deposit that is going to be coming into your account, but you have to wait for the processing time for that to actually clear into your account. Once you've copied your deposit address, just go to the place where you're sending from and paste it in. Same asset, same blockchain. So I've got some Bitcoin on a different exchange. I've searched for my Bitcoin right here. I'm going to withdraw it. And then from here it says, where are you sending it to? The wallet address is my Kraken wallet address. So we'll paste that in. And then the chain type is Bitcoin. I know that I can send it into my Bitcoin wallet address for Kraken, and you can send the amount that you want. That goes into your wallet address right here. Now I'll show you how to find your stablecoin deposit addresses. Stablecoins exist on many different blockchains, and you will have different deposit addresses for the same asset. So you have to be sure that you're sending and receiving on the same chains. So go to home again, go to deposit, choose the stablecoin that you want to deposit in. I'll choose Tether. And then you can see all of these different chains. They will have different deposit addresses. So the only important thing to know is where you're sending from and which blockchain that you're using. If you have USDT in a wallet that you own and you know that it's on a chain like Ethereum, that is the only chain that you can use. So you have to get your Ethereum address, for example. If you're using a different centralized exchange, you may be able to send over multiple different blockchains. In that case, all you have to make sure of is you're sending over the same blockchain on both sides so that you can receive the USDT, in this case, into your Kraken account. So let's go over to send it from a different exchange. Withdraw. You can see the chain type here, many different chains that I can use. As long as Kraken accepts these chains for deposit, I can use any of these. There's no point using Ethereum because it's $4. I may as well use a cheaper chain to send the USDT over as long as I can get a deposit address in my Kraken account. So for example, let's use Arbitrum, which is only $1 instead of $4. So I'll click Arbitrum and I'm sending over the Arbitrum blockchain here. That means that I need my Arbitrum wallet address within Kraken. Does Kraken accept deposits of USDT on Arbitrum? Yes, it does. You can see it's a supported chain. So I can click this one and this is my Arbitrum address. Please note that these blockchains have different addresses. You can't use the same address across all chains. Tron, Solana, Arbitrum have completely different addresses for the same asset. So if you're sending on Arbitrum, you have to receive on Arbitrum or any of the other chains. Arbitrum 1, this is my address. I'm going to copy this. You can see the processing time here. I'm going to go back and then paste the address in here. And I'm going to be sending same asset, same blockchain, USDT Arbitrum 1, USDT Arbitrum 1. If you're unsure, always do a test amount first just to check that you've got the address correct. That address will then be saved in your wallet or exchange and then you can send the rest into your Kraken account. Links below to the exchanges I use if you want some deposit and trading bonuses on those. I'm James, this is MoneyZG. Cheers for watching and I'll see you in the next one.